Also in the news now, South Florida townhomes scorched by lightning. 3 bolts hit the building, one after the other. Several people have now been left burned out. Here's 7's Brandon Beyer.
Firefighters returning to North Lauderdale Monday, where several homes went up in flames Sunday, leaving entire families displaced.
We're going to be looking after we return the car and see where we can stay for the week and then take it from there.
Donna and John McCauley are counting their blessings. They're dealing with damage, but their pets survive.
Firefighters eventually, they are waiting for I guess in case the roof is going to collapse, and thankfully they were able to rescue them.
Video inside one of the units shows what those affected are dealing with.
It took me a minute to hit me, but it's just all gone.
The fire began Sunday afternoon. Investigators say multiple lightning strikes are to blame.
According to some of the deputies, there were 3 lightning strikes that hit the house almost the same time.
Thankfully, no lives were lost. Still, recovering from something like this is never easy.
Valuable stuff, like photos upstairs. I have books in there, computers, laptops, work equipment.
Again, it does look like weather played a factor here, but the official cause of that fire remains under investigation. In North Lauderdale, Brandon Beyer, 7 News.